Hello, I'm Dr. Gray Kantor here with Kantor Dental Group in San Rafael, California. Today I want to talk about why you should treat baby teeth. Why treat them? They're going to fall out. You'll get new adult teeth to replace them. What's the point of spending money, time on a baby tooth when as us adults with a family you have many other things to do than go to the dentist? Well, the reason being is to make sure that those adult teeth are healthy. The biggest reason of all is if you get an infection of the baby tooth, you can damage the incoming adult tooth, creating deformations in that adult tooth that won't be sightly, especially in those front teeth, but also in the back teeth as well. So the idea here is protecting the adult teeth is the primary reason is to get good adult teeth. But there's some secondary reasons, which are being able to continue to chew, being able to keep looking good for pictures, family photos, and things like that. But again, biggest reason of all is to protect that incoming adult tooth. If you have any more questions or anything like that, definitely give us a call here at Kantor Dental Group in San Rafael, California.